condition. This is really the condition because they've agreed to the two conditions.
So actually, you're talking about women's rights, for example. When Mr. Mutaki was here in Islamabad for the OIC summit, for example, this issue of women's rights, was it raised with him, and what did he say? I mean, as you know, so far, in some provinces, universities are still closed for women. Some schools are also still closed. Did he give concrete word on this issue?
It's not concrete. They agreed to the principle.
Right.
How they will go about it, you know, if anyone is familiar with the Afghan character, they should realize that they are very, very proud people. And, you know, you can't push them. They hate outside interference. In 2001, Pakistan was one of the 3 countries that recognized Afghanistan. Yet when Pakistan tried to tell the Taliban, you know, to hand over Osama bin Laden to the Americans, they point blank refused. So there's a limit to, you know, what outside interference or pressure can do to a government, specifically a government which is fiercely independent like the Taliban. So just a caution that if anyone thinks that, you know, you can force them, force the pace of what they believe is an inclusive government and human rights, well, it's not going to happen. And we should not expect, you know, what we expect women's rights, according to what the people of Afghanistan think and what are Western women's rights. There's a big gulf between the two, and that's not going to happen. Western-style women's rights, if that is an expectation in Afghanistan, will not happen. But, you know, they've agreed that